Hey there, wanderers! Welcome back to another thrilling adventure on our channel. Today, we're taking you to the skies as we dive into the heart-pounding excitement of Singapore's Megazip Zipline, the longest zipline in Southeast Asia. Get ready to soar like never before. From breathtaking views to spine-tingling thrills, this is an experience you won't want to miss. So, join us as we embark on the ultimate high-flying escapade. Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more epic adventures. Let's dive in.
Let's do it.